Welcome to FETV. I'm Sean Booker. First Energy uses a variety of methods to ensure continued reliable service to our customers. One is our Aerial Patrol Program. Coordinated by our Transmission Maintenance Group, the program uses helicopter contractors to safely perform routine inspections and maintenance work on transmission lines and to locate equipment damage after storms. Let's take a look at this high-flying act.
In our aerial patrol program, we have a routine inspection, a comprehensive inspection, and an infrared corona thermal inspection. A routine inspection is a general overall look at the conductor of the transmission line and the associated hardwares and structures. And it's flown right around 20 to 30 miles per hour and identifies the most noticeable problems. A comprehensive inspection is a slow, structure by structure, span by span inspection where the observer and the crew are getting a detailed, in-depth look at the structures, hardware, and conductor. On the infrared and thermal inspections, the crews are looking for conductor and shield wire attachment hardware, and they're looking for rises in temperature, anything that would jeopardize the reliability of the line. They're also looking for insulator tracking, things like that. The first step in correcting a problem is identifying it, and during these patrols and inspections, whenever we identify these problems, we are able to get the information over to the transmission personnel in each operating company and ensure that we can get the problems fixed.
I'm here today to demonstrate the different kinds of patrols that we do. We're taking up our Bell 206 Jet Ranger, which has our infrared corona camera system on it. We'll be flying a 138 kV line today, the Cloverdale Brookside line. It goes between Maslin area and Ashland. The helicopter allows us to cover a lot of territory quickly. Even in the urban settings, we'll typically hover a little higher just to avoid public disruption, but cross country, especially in the mountainous areas as we go east through Pennsylvania, West Virginia, the helicopter is invaluable as far as crossing the valleys and the mountains. The helicopter allows us to find problems quickly without having to send men out on foot patrol. Saves a lot of time, gets the lines back in service quicker, so it saves the company money as far as lost revenue. And by us getting detailed pictures of the problem, the crew can be on site with the correct equipment to make the repair in one trip rather than making multiple trips.
We hope you enjoyed this segment of FETV. We appreciate everyone's story suggestions and ask that you continue to send them in. Just email us at the address on the screen, employeecommunications@firstenergycorp.com. As always, have a great day, and remember, make safety a way of life.